I had to take the wood out. Yo, take this one. We on the camera. You know you gon' roll that shit. You know what we do. Pull up to the sheet. Take this, see no evil. We're gonna set that to the side. So now, boys, remember what I was talking about earlier? This is the vacuum, and as y'all can see, like I told y'all last time, they are corroded. And the motherfucking, like I was saying, as y'all can see, I gotta get these two lines together. Cause they snip. I don't know who snipped these hoes, but they snip. I'm gonna need the carburetor cleaner. As y'all see, it's corroded. There's dirt in there. They said I'm gonna need a new one of these. A new fuel filter that's inside there. Yeah, that's all I could come up with for right now, boys, until my auntie Lisa pull up with Uncle Bobo. He a mechanic. Alright, y'all. So anyway, like I was saying, that's the best I got for now. I got about, so right here, I just want to tell everybody that, you know what I'm saying, keep your head up and stay grinding, you dig me? You know, it's a lot of shit in the world that be going on. I just found out some disturbing news today. The world trying to throw a pimp off his game even more, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I came out here today, and I was blessed to come across what I came across from somebody that I love a lot. So, you know what I'm saying, in that regard, I'm very thankful, you feel me? I feel like Kakashi right now. If y'all feel unmotivated, bro, just stay motivated, bro. That's the best advice I can give you, bro. Just lock in and run. It's gonna seem hard at first, you wanna give up, but once you keep running, it get easier by the day. That mile don't become a mile anymore, like that ain't nothing. You know what I mean? So, if you're unmotivated, be motivated. And get it out. Yeah. Yeah, Lisa showed it. How you been doing, Mark? I'm good. Good. What's up, man?
It's a clean motherfucker, ain't it, bro?
Hell yeah.
It's old school, too. Now it's clean, too.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the seat.
Let me see. Oh, so it is. How much you pay for it, Marty?
1,700.
17?
Mm-hmm.
It was running good when you first got it?
Yeah, I put some gas in there, but it probably need a little bit more.
I think it needs to. That sounds like the gas.
Say what's up to YouTube, auntie.
That do sound like
She ain't hear me, y'all. The reason I took it off is because
You put gas in it, Marty?
yeah, lift it up.
Raise you up?
Yeah, he old school.
He said it sound like it's out of gas. He said I got a vacuum leak, y'all.
Stay on the gas.
We're figuring it out right now. That's my auntie, y'all. I love him so much. It's my Uncle Bobo right there. He really my cousin, but I call him Uncle Bobo.
Gas you put down there burning off.
Yeah. Burning off the motor. You wasted some.
Oh, wasted some.
On the motor.
Hopefully that's what that
Hey,
is.
Marty, if I had time to work on it for you, I would.
So what you say it was?
You got a vacuum leak, Marty. It's either coming out of your intake gasket or either one of these vacuum lines. And the only way to do it take time, though.
It do a lot, boo.
Yeah, to track it down. See, if
It's a vacuum leak, you gotta track it
if
down.
your intake gasket is leaking, Marty, you have to take your whole intake off and put new gasket on. It's called a blend gasket.
You have to get up under it or do it from the
No,
top?
you do it from the top.
Okay. So
Uh-huh.
that wouldn't be a bad job.
No, it's a
Since it's on
job.
top.
You gotta tear it all down.
Even if it's just right on the top?
Yeah, because see, you gotta put new gaskets on it. They knew it. That's why when a car won't idle and you go there, your intake gasket is bad. And you got a vacuum leak. You see what
That's
it
when they
comes
cut
down.
out when they cut all them things.
Yeah.
So
You damn near have to clutch drive to keep it running.
to keep it running, clutch drive.
Mm-hmm.